everyone, welcome to this new amazing video tutorial. So today in this small video tutorial we're going to show you that how you can actually add a beautiful looking contact form in your WordPress website. Okay, we're going to use a super powerful plugin called Forms, which is actually free, and they also have a pro version. Okay, so let me show you that how you can add a contact form using their free version. So first of all, go to your WordPress website dashboard. You can see that I have already logged in here. And after that, hover over on plugins, and from here, click on add new and search for plugins, Forms. Okay, Forms. All right. So this will take a few seconds time. And you can see that this is actually our Form plugin, Forms drag and drop form builder. Okay, now this plugin already have more than 30 active installations, and it's by WordPress. You can visit their official website simply by clicking this link. You can purchase the pro version from here. They have a pro version, and they have a lifetime deal going on right now. Okay, you can purchase their lifetime deal. So I think that this is a great offer. You should not miss this offer. Okay, so let me just go back to my WordPress dashboard, and from here click on install now. Let me just zoom out now, and before zoom out, click on activate and zoom out. All right, and it says plugin activated. And from here at the left hand side, you can see that here we have the Form settings here. Okay, so simply click on Form, and it says welcome to Form. They have a really great user interface. You can see that it looks really nice. And from here, click on create first form. Okay, you can choose a blank template and build from scratch, or you can also use their template. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to use this template. Okay, so simply let's click on create. I will also show you that how you can actually build a form from scratch, so don't worry. And you can see that this is the template. It comes with first name, last name, email field, subject field, message field. So it's a really great template, and you can see that they have lots of different fields available here. Most of them are free, only 3 of them are pro. Okay, if you want to use any of this field from this left hand side, what you actually have to do is to simply drag that field. Suppose I want to use this URL field to my form, so I'm just simply click on this and drag it to the right. Okay, and drop it here, and you can see that this form actually added here. Okay, and if you want to edit this URL field, then you can simply click on settings. Okay, and you will get all the options related to this URL field. You can make this required. Okay, and you can also change the label. Suppose I want to make add here website name. Okay, and you can also add a placeholder. I'll show all of this after a few seconds when I will show you that actually how to create a form from scratch. So don't worry. Let me just click on save, and let me show you that how you can actually render this form in the front end. So for showing this form in the front end, you have to simply copy this shortcode. Okay, whenever you create a new contact form, you'll get a shortcode like this. Okay, so simply click on copy. This is my shortcode, and I want to use this with my Elementor page builder, and I want to add this here. Okay, that's why I'm clicking here, edit with Elementor. I will also show you that how you can actually use this shortcode with the Gutenberg page builder, so don't worry, just keep watching. And let me just add a new section here. Click on this plus icon, and then search here for a new widget called shortcode, and drag and drop it here. Okay, and paste the shortcode here and click on update. All right, you can see that we have successfully updated, actually added the form here. And then click on simply on preview changes. Okay, And you can see that this is how this actually looks like. You can see that actually our submit button disappears. So simply let me add some spaces here. Okay, actually this is the problem with my page design, not actually with the form builder. So simply click on padding. Let me give a few pixel padding. Suppose 40 pixel. I want 40 pixel of padding, and then click on update. And let's also add a spacer. Click on here and simply add a spacer here. Okay. All right, we have successfully, and let's increase the spacer height. Okay, so and click on submit right now from here. And let's view the contact page again. And I hope that this works fine. Okay, you can see that this is how it looks right now. And we can simply fill out the form. Let me fill out the form from here. You can see that I have filled out the form. I have filled out the first name, last name, email address, subject, and message, and a website name. Okay, and then click on submit. Okay, and you can see that it says successfully submitted. So let me just go to the backend. Okay, simply from here, click on dashboard, and let's view the message. And click on bid form, and you'll be able to see the form responses inside this form. So simply click here, and from here I have to click on responses. You can see that here we have these responses right here. Okay, so here is the first name, last name, email address, test message. It's my subject. We have a message. You can simply drag this, okay, and change the size of this column, and you can drag this. Okay, you can do a lot of things. You can simply click on this, okay, and select this, and from here you can simply delete this. You can also duplicate this. You can do a lot of things. Okay, you can also edit this. You can see that if I click on edit, a new pop-up appears, and this is really great. You can simply edit this and click on update, but I'm not going to edit this, so simply click on update and then click on update, and let me close it from here. And let's go and create another form from scratch. So click on create form and click on blank, and click on create from blank. Okay, and our new option will be appear here for adding a new form. You can see that a submit button appears only, and if I click on this, in the right side you can see that all the settings related to this submit field appears here. Okay, you can change the button text. Suppose let me type here send message. Okay, this will be a label for the user. You can align change the alignment of our button. Okay, you can align this to left. Let me just align this to right. Okay, you can simply reset the button. You can also show the reset button. So let me show the reset button. Actually, what this button will does, whenever a user will click this reset, all the form field will be blank. Okay, so simply let me type here reset form field. Okay, and you can change the button width from here. You can see that this will be also looks really great. You can also change the button size into small. Okay, this is actually really nice. And we also have a style here. If I click on background customize, and from background you can change the background color. If I click on color picker, from here you can see that this is how our form background will be look like. You can do all of this thing. Okay, I'm not going to talk about this thing right now. So simply just let me click on none from here, and let's go and add some field here. First of all, let me add a text field here. So simply drag and drop this text field here. Okay, and let's go and edit this. So simply click on settings from here, and from here admin label, the field label will be name. Okay, let me just enter here full name, and let's enter a placeholder text here. Please enter your full name. Okay, and you can see that here the placeholder actually appears. All right, so let's make this field required. The user will have to fill up this form. Either they will not be able to send messages, okay, without filling up this form. And let's click on, let's duplicate this form from here. You can duplicate or delete this. Let me just take another one from here. Actually, guys, I don't want any text field okay, so I want to add a email field, okay, and URL field. All right, okay, so and also a reCAPTCHA field. Let's add a reCAPTCHA to our form. So all this form, you can see that it says error for site owner, invalid site settings. So if I simply click on this, and from here you can see that actually we will not be able to use in our free version maybe. So I'm just simply clicking here on remove. Okay, so simply I think this is an let's add a file upload option here. Okay, so the user will be able to attach file from here. All right, so let's go and edit this one by one. So first of all, let's edit full name from here. So click on full name, and you can see that I have already edited the full name. So let's go and edit the email field. So let's make it required first, and email field and placeholder. Please enter your email address. Okay, email address. All right, so let's click on URL field right now, and from here just let's make it required. Okay, and website address. Okay, or I'll type your website URL. Enter your website address. Please enter your own website address here. Okay, so I think that that's enough, and you can also edit the file upload option from here. If you click on this, you'll be able to change everything. If I click on upload image, simply change the label into upload image. Okay, and then attach file. This will be attach image. Let's make it attach image, and max upload size, let's make it only 2 MB. Okay, 2 MB. All right, so and after that, do you want to allow multiple file upload at a time? If you want that, then simply enable this. Okay, and allowed file type, you can enter the allowed file type from here. Images only. Okay, only images. I don't want any other thing else. They have this really great option here. You don't have to manually type your JPG or PNG. Okay, it's really great. And from here, let's just click on save. You can see that form successfully saved, it says. And let's go and actually use our form in the front end. But before doing that, let me click on settings from here. And from here, click on confirmation. And you can edit your confirmation from confirmation message from here. I'm just simply clicking here, and let's edit my confirmation successfully. Email successfully. Okay, no, so SUCCE fully sent. Okay, and I'll come back with will reply very soon. All right, so that's all. Simply, you can also make this bold. Okay, you can do lots of things. You can also add a form field from here. You can add email field, full name, website URL, etc., etc. You can also change the size of this. You can make this italic. Simply make this italic, and you can make this center align. Okay, you can do a lot of things. You can also change this simple paragraph into a heading, etc., etc. All right. So simply click on update from here. You can see that it says form updated successfully, and click on this close icon, and let me copy this shortcut from here and click on pages, and let me add a new page. Right now I'm not going to use this form in an Elementor page builder. I'm going to use the WordPress default Gutenberg editor. Okay, so let me enter here contact bit form. Okay, and simply click this plus icon, and from here you can simply search for bit forms. You can simply add this block here, and from here you don't actually have to manually copy that shortcode if you use their Gutenberg block. Okay, and from here select untitled form. I didn't give a name of that form. Okay, that's why this is actually called untitled. Let me just change the name. So I'm just opening this link in a new tab, and from here click on edit, and let me change the name from here. Okay, bit form custom, bit custom. Okay, let me change it from here. All right, click on update, and let me just reload this. But before reloading, it says leave page. Okay, leave page, no problem. You can see that right now it's called bit custom form. All right, so simply click on publish from here, and then click on publish and click on view page, and you'll be able to see the bit forms right here. Okay, right now you can simply fill up your name. The name field is, so let me just enter the name field. ASA, my name is Aruf Khan, and then let me enter a mail address, au85093@gmail.com. Website, let's enter a website, suppose WordPress Leocoder or bit. Okay, leocoder.com, and from here click on attach image, and click on let me attach the image. So I have choose this image from here, and then click on open, and you can see that we have selected this image. The size of this image is 682 KB, which is less than 1 kilobyte maybe. Okay, so simply click on send message. But if you want to reset the form before sending, then simply click on reset form fields, and everything will be blank. But I don't want to do that. I'm just simply clicking here on send message, and you can see that it says submitting, and you can see that here is our confirmation message. Okay, email entered successfully. Let me go to my backend from here and close this and click on bit custom forms, and from here responses. You can see that this is actually our email. If I click on this, actually sorry, let me just click on this edit. Okay, and you'll be able to see your message here. Okay, that's how it looks. So bit forms is really a useful plugin for creating contact form plugin in your WordPress website. This is far more better than any other plugin in the market. Okay, there is a lot of other plugin that I don't want to name right now. Okay, so you can use Bitform, and they also have a pro version. You can simply visit their website, Bitforms. Okay, search in Google for Bitforms, bitforms.pro, bitforms.pro. Oh, sorry. You can simply search for Bitforms Pro, and you will get this website, bitpraise.pro, and from here you can purchase the pro version. Okay, so I hope that this video was really helpful for all the beginners, those who you want to create a form with WordPress using free plugin. And that's all for today. See you in the next other videos. And if you really feel that this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel. So see you in the next video. Goodbye.